It turns out the breathalyzers D.C. police have been using for years are inaccurate. That's according to D.C.'s Attorney General. And hundreds of DWI convictions were based on that data. Lindsay Mastis tells us how those faulty tests will affect those cases now.
The 10 breathalyzers district police used since fall 2008 were calibrated wrong. That means blood alcohol levels read 20 to 30% higher.
The intoxilizers were not accurate.
How did it happen? DC's Attorney General Peter Nichols does not blame the single officer in charge of making the bad calibrations.
There's a real question about the instructions provided by the manufacturer, and we intend to pursue that.
Nichols said he reviewed 1,100 cases. 400 may have been impacted by the breathalyzer tests, but only a few are being reopened.
The total number of cases that may be directly affected, where we're going to take immediate action, are the 11 where there was a trial.
For him to say that only 400 cases have been affected makes, just based on his own information, makes no sense.
David Benowitz represents hundreds of plaintiffs in DWI cases.
We kept getting clients who would say, well, I only had 2 drinks over a period of 4 hours, and we're coming up with breathalyzer scores that were way over what they should have been.
He says his firm is putting together a class action lawsuit.
I think there's going to be, again, a host of motions filed requesting new trials and or that convictions just be thrown out.
Nichols says he's contacting convicted drivers and their attorneys, letting them know what went wrong. But what to do next is up to them. In Washington, I'm Lindsay Mastis, 9 News Now.
D.C. Attorney General Nichols says the city has replaced its breathalyzer machines and is now developing stricter standards for testing.